What is the remedy you have when a complainant files a check bounce case? Complainant means lender files a check bounce case against the borrower, means the person who issues the check. What is the remedy you have when the complainant files a check alleging that he gave huge amounts of cash to the accused? Now, the backstory will be something different. The accused or the issuer of the check will receive nominal amounts or whatever the actual amounts from the complainant or the lender, and sometimes due to the impact of circumstances, the accused will issue a blank check, and that blank check will be misused by the complainant if there is a difference of opinion or the difference of circumstances between the complainant and the accused. And the blank check will be misused by the complainant to such an extent that the amounts are written at the pleasure of the complainant. For example, the complainant might have given 1 lakh and might have taken a blank check from the accused, but he may write down as 10 lakhs. Now, unfortunately, the law is quite strange in these kind of circumstances. Now, cash transactions is an income tax violation. Cash transaction is not a check bounce law violation. Now, let us understand what is the cash transaction violation as per the Income Tax Act. As per the Income Tax Act, if you receive 20,000, if you receive about 20,000 by way of a cash for a loan or a deposit, you are charged with an equal amount of penalty whatsoever you receive. Or that is one dimension. The other dimension is if you receive more than 2 lakhs per day in a single transaction for a single circumstance, then also it is a violation of income tax law to the extent of amount you received in that particular day. So 20,000 is a violation, about 20,000 is a violation, about 2 lakhs per day is a violation. These are the two violations of the income tax law. But this is not a violation as per the check bounce law, though this is an illegal transaction. Now, to maintain a check bounce case, there should be a legally enforceable debt. Now, what is a legally enforceable debt? A debt that was created legally. Now, complainant is alleging in the court that he gave cash to the accused. Now, that is a legally enforceable debt unless and until income tax comes and declares that it is illegal. Now, unfortunately, income tax will not interfere in check bounce case law. Income tax will interfere in cash transaction violation, that will be trial before income tax commissioner in the jurisdiction where complainant lives. So that is a totally different place, that is a totally different forum, that's a totally different issue to be dealt by income tax commissioner. Now, what is the remedy? Accused has taken only 1 lakh, but he is fighting for a 10 lakhs case. Now, unfortunately, the receiver of the amount, here in this case the 20,000 or 2 lakhs per day, will pay the fine.